Most executives are drowning in overcommitment and mistake busyness for progress. You are not failing because you lack effort. You are struggling because you are trying to do everything at once. Today, we will reclaim your cognitive bandwidth using the rule of 3. The modern workplace rewards responsiveness, constant communication, and endless task lists. But this environment quietly fragments attention and reduces the time available for meaningful strategic work. Cognitive bandwidth is your most limited leadership resource. Every decision, interruption, and meeting consumes mental energy. When that energy is scattered, strategic thinking becomes reactive and shallow. The rule of 3 introduces a powerful constraint. Each day, you identify exactly 3 high-impact objectives that will anchor your executive attention. No more, no less. This constraint forces clarity. Instead of managing a long to-do list, you focus on the few actions that directly influence long-term growth, team performance, or organizational direction. To apply the rule of 3, begin by separating urgent tasks from vital work. Urgent tasks demand immediate response. Vital work drives long-term progress and meaningful outcomes. Once the vital priorities are clear, schedule protected time to complete them. Treat these commitments as non-negotiable strategic appointments with yourself. As this practice becomes consistent, decision fatigue decreases and focus deepens. The day becomes structured around intention rather than reaction. Teams quickly notice this shift. Clear priorities improve communication, reduce confusion, and create alignment around what truly matters. The rule of 3 is not about doing less. It is about doing what matters most with clarity and intention. Protect your cognitive bandwidth, and your leadership impact will expand. If this session was helpful, please like the video and share it with your network. Subscribe for more practical and insightful episodes. Thank you for watching.